Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2023 Chevy Bolt EV. I'm going to show you where the fuse panel boxes are on this vehicle. So we have one that's in the engine bay that controls all of the most all of the engine components here. We are on the left-hand side where a 12-volt battery sits here, and then we just need to pop this cover, and then that gives us access to the fuses. And on the cover here, it gives us information of what fuse is what and what they are powering. So if you need to replace any of these fuses, make sure that you replace them with the same size of fuse. And never go to a larger fuse when you're replacing them. So these are micro fuses, and then we have some larger ones and some relays in here. And so that's the one that's in the engine bay, and then we have another one that's inside the cabin of the vehicle. So here we come to the inside of the cabin of the vehicle, and right down in here we have, right above the lever for our hood release latch, we have a little cover here that we need to remove to be able to gain access to the fuses here. All right. So using a little pry tool of sort, just being able to pop that cover off, and then we have all the fuses and some relays that are up in there. So that's where you find your second portion of fuses, and most of the fuses on this panel have to do with interior comforts of the vehicle. Some of them can operate some other components, but these are mainly for your interior comfort. And again, we only replace the fuse with the same size. And if you replace the fuse and it keeps blowing or popping, then you know you've got a short somewhere that you're going to need to diagnose and fix. So that's your two fuse boxes on your Chevy Bolt of an EV. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.